In this class, I'll show you how to best manage and maintain classroom kits of AR equipment. If you decide to buy a classroom set of phones, tablets or iPads to use AR with, it's usually worthwhile getting some cases and screen protectors to go with them, like these ones here. These are usually available online through sites like Amazon and eBay inexpensively and will help protect your kit against any accidental damages or drops. One of the things we do in the Fab Lab to help manage our equipment is give our devices names. You can do this quickly and easily with something like a labelling machine, like this one here. We found that it helps give a sense of ownership to students when they're using our devices and less stuff goes missing as a result. With classroom kits comes the need to manage and maintain larger amounts of equipment in one go. It can be quite a time-consuming task, so if you have IT technicians, mentors or classroom assistants within your department, this might be a task you could assign to them in advance. You may even want to set up an online booking system to allow other teachers to reserve the equipment. Check out our class on automated workflow tools under Internet of Things for some quick and easy ways on how to do this. If you're planning on buying iPads in bulk, speak to your IT department, as they can use software like Apple Configurator to set up and send apps to multiple iPads quickly and easily, so you don't have to go through and set up each one individually. You'll probably also need to buy things like extension leads or USB multi-port chargers in the case of mobile phones and some tablets, as well as possibly a large case with some wheels to keep everything together in one place and for easy transportation. As Fab Lab is a makerspace, we've enjoyed designing and cutting out our own device trolleys using our CNC machines, which have allowed us to build custom solutions at a fraction of the cost. This video concludes our module on augmented reality. If you've enjoyed this course, check out our module on the Internet of Things, where you can learn how to engage your students through the use of their computers or phones connected to the internet.